Now I want to show you some of the great Garmin map options that there are available. Under settings, we have a lot of different options for changing the view of your map. Okay, so let me walk you through a few of those. First of all, if you start at the very top under map and vehicle, it's going to give you a bunch of different options here. The vehicle is going to be the icon that shows on there. Currently we have the blue sports car, and of course we can switch to like a monster truck or a smaller car. You can even do a compass type arrow, some shoes, an eagle. These are just look, even a beach ball. These are just preset icons. Of course, you can upload your own just simply by connecting a USB cable to the Garmin and uploading it from your computer. I'm going to go ahead and click save because we like the little sports car. Another great option is the driving map view. You can always change the view. Right now I've currently got it in 3D, but you can do north up. You can see on the right hand side here how it kind of changes here. Or track up will give you another option, see? But I prefer 3D mode, so it's going to put it into 3D mode. We're going to click save. Another couple great options here is if you go to map theme, you can change the actual theme and look of your Garmin GPS. Over here you can see what it looks like here under Garmin theme, which is the current theme we have selected. But you got Belgium, Denmark, see how it changes the color, kind of changes this game. France, if you want to do France, the way that it looks. Italia has sort of a cool looking color scheme to it. I just prefer the Garmin. That was sort of the default, and I just prefer the way that looks. Another thing that you have here are map buttons, which are fantastic to either add or remove. Right now I've only got a couple on here. One is the mute button. You can see I can remove it or I can add it. I can also do a traffic button right there. And there's also a cancellation button, which is actually to cancel the current route that we were in. I'm going to go ahead and keep the settings the way they are. Another great option is the map layers. These are things on your map that you can actually turn off, such as places along the road, traffic, and your trip log. I have them all turned on because I want them all visible. And another great feature that is new in some of the newer Garmin's are the dashboards. The ability to take multiple dashboards and change to a different dashboard. So you see, this is the current dashboard we have selected. Here's a different one. Of course, depending on your preference. And by switching to each dashboard, you can see that the screen automatically adjusts to your current dashboard. Here's another dashboard, a little bit more of a high-techy looking one. This one's a little bit more glassy, kind of modern. There's another great one that I really like here at the very end, which is more of a see-through one, so you can see all the different types of information. Of course, this provides more information, but it's also see-through so that you're not missing. You can sort of still see the full size of the map, and of course I can click save. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that and keep the one that we currently have. A couple of other great options are the display. For the map, you can change the orientation depending on if you have your Garmin, if you have it landscape or if you have it in portrait mode. You can also change your color mode, night or day. I have it selected to auto, so it'll automatically switch to nighttime at a specific time. And of course, you can change the brightness of your map and a bunch of other options here. So these are just a few basic map options that are available. And of course, there are many more, and you can also download and add more of your own from your Garmin dashboard.